So how many people in the neighborhood you live in want to sell their house right now? I would venture to say builders, typically build neighborhoods in about 100s. So think of your own neighborhood, or think of my neighborhood. If I was to drive through my neighborhood of 100 houses today, there'd probably be 3 yard signs up right now, either with a realtor or for sale by owner. Now, if that's true today, that's going to be true 3 months from today. It's going to be true 6 months from today. It's going to be true 9 months from today. It's going to be true a year from today, and so on. So when you're cold calling, like using mojosells.com, great product, free plug there. But if you're using a 3-line dialer or cold calling up and down the street through neighborhoods, and it's a message leaving machine is kind of the way that works. So out of every 100 calls you make, probably 3 of those are landing on somebody who is thinking of selling their house in 3 months. And another 3 of those are landing on somebody thinking of selling their house in 6 months and 9 months, and another 3 on 12 months. So that keeps accumulating, and those people will call you back. So don't think because you didn't have a live conversation and book a listing appointment today that nothing was accomplished. I think probably 60% of my business came from leaving messages to people who never answered the phone. I never had a live conversation with until they called me and said, hey, you've been calling us and we're ready to sell our house. So if any of this makes sense to you and you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, you can call me at the number that's down here. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all our free training videos. That will be guaranteed better coaching for you than you would pay any other coach in America for any amount of money for. So again, go to fearlessagent.com today because we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.